Mazda is coming with one of the most complex crossover lineups ever, with the 2026 CX-50 offering 10 completely different trim levels that span 3 distinct powertrains, from efficient hybrids to turbocharged performance machines. If you're shopping for a crossover but feel overwhelmed by all these choices and worried about picking the wrong one for your needs, this breakdown will save you from making an expensive mistake. While most brands are simplifying their lineups, Mazda is proving that one size definitely doesn't fit all, while choosing the wrong trim could leave you with buyer's remorse for years. Number 10. Hybrid Premium Plus Peak Efficiency Luxury. One of the biggest frustrations for luxury car buyers today is having to choose between environmental responsibility and genuine premium features. That's why the Hybrid Premium Plus at around $40,000 is going to be such a game changer. It's proving you don't have to compromise anymore. The exclusive 19-inch machine-cut alloy wheels aren't just there to look pretty. They're specifically engineered to optimize airflow while driving, therefore reducing drag and maximizing efficiency. When you're getting 219 horsepower from the hybrid system, but still achieving 38 miles per gallon combined, you're looking at technology that solves the age-old efficiency versus performance dilemma. The red leather interior creates that distinctive environment that tells everyone you care about the environment without sacrificing sophistication. This trim targets affluent professionals who refuse to feel guilty about their automotive choices. So, the Hybrid Premium Plus delivers ultimate efficiency with luxury. But if you need genuine adventure capability, wait until you see what the Turbo Meridian Edition brings to the table. Number 9. Turbo Meridian Edition – Adventure Unleashed. Nothing is more disappointing than buying a crossover that looks capable but can't actually handle the adventures you had in mind. The Turbo Meridian Edition at $41,000 is engineered to eliminate that disappointment completely. The unique hood graphics and side rocker panel accents immediately tell other drivers that your CX-50 isn't just another mall crawler, but the real story is the 2.5-liter twin-scroll turbocharged engine delivering 227 horsepower on regular fuel, pump premium gas, and you're getting 256 horsepower with 320 pound-feet of torque. Therefore, you're looking at genuine power that won't leave you embarrassed when towing a trailer. Those 18-inch black alloy wheels with all-terrain tires are specifically chosen to handle rocks, mud, and rough terrain. But the specialized off-road and towing drive modes mean the computer is actively helping you tackle challenging situations. The 8.5 inches of ground clearance gives you confidence to take trails that would scrape ordinary crossovers. The terracotta leather interior exclusive to turbo trims creates a cabin that feels as adventurous as your destinations. That Meridian Edition proves turbocharged performance can handle real adventure. But if you want luxury refinement without rugged styling, the Premium Plus takes a different approach. Number 8. 2.5S Premium Plus Top-Tier Refinement. There's nothing more frustrating than spending serious money on a vehicle only to have people assume you bought the base model. That's exactly what the 2.5S Premium Plus at $37,500 is designed to solve. The genuine leather upholstery in black or black with brown combinations doesn't just look premium. It ages better than artificial materials, but the ventilated front seats mean you'll stay comfortable during hot summer commutes. Those striking 20-inch painted alloy wheels are engineered to fill wheel arches properly while maintaining ride quality. Therefore, you get luxury vehicle visual impact without harsh ride quality. The sophisticated head-up display projects critical information onto your windshield, eliminating dangerous dashboard glancing. Despite luxury appointments, the proven 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine maintains 187 horsepower with reliable transmission and all-wheel drive systems you can count on for years. The Premium Plus shows what luxury looks like with conventional power, but if efficiency is your priority, the Hybrid Preferred offers different value. Number 7. Hybrid Preferred Efficiency Meets Adventure. The biggest pain point for efficiency-minded buyers is finding a hybrid that doesn't feel like driving a boring appliance. The Hybrid Preferred at $34,000 solves exactly that problem. The hybrid system, combining a 2.5-liter engine with 3 electric motors, delivers 219 horsepower, but more importantly, achieves 39 city, 37 highway/38 combined MPG without feeling like a golf cart. The E all-wheel drive system uses dedicated electric motors for rear-wheel power. Therefore, you get instantaneous torque distribution that improves traction compared to conventional systems. Those 17-inch painted alloy wheels maintain rugged appearance while optimizing efficiency, but the 551-mile driving range means you can drive from Chicago to Nashville without stopping for gas. The ECVT transmission eliminates jerky transitions that make some hybrids feel unrefined, but selectable power and trail modes adapt the experience to your conditions. So hybrid efficiency can be engaging, but if you want maximum performance without worrying about fuel economy, the Turbo Premium delivers different excitement. Number 6. Turbo Premium Performance Luxury. Performance-oriented buyers often choose between engaging dynamics and luxury comfort. The Turbo Premium at $41,500 eliminates that compromise. The 256 horsepower turbo engine on premium fuel delivers acceleration that makes highway merging effortless, but maintaining 25 miles per gallon combined means you're not punished at the pump. Those 20-inch painted alloy wheels provide visual impact and handling precision enthusiasts demand. Cruising and traffic support with highway lane centering reduces fatigue from hours of highway driving. Therefore, you arrive refreshed instead of drained. The 3,500-pound towing capacity means you can use your performance crossover for practical purposes, while self-leveling adaptive headlights ensure clear vision on city streets or mountain roads. Clearly, this trim level targets performance-oriented professionals aged 35 to 50 who want both worlds without German luxury prices. That Turbo Premium balances performance with luxury perfectly, but if budget is your concern while wanting premium quality, the Select proves you don't sacrifice everything for affordability. Number 5. 2.5S Select Gateway to Premium. Budget-conscious buyers often feel like they must sacrifice quality and safety for affordable payments. But that's not the case with the 2.5S Select, priced at $30,500, which proves you don't have to make that kind of compromise. Standard partial leatherette upholstery with 8-way power driver adjustment means you're getting premium materials many competitors charge extra for, but the 10.25-inch infotainment display with wireless connectivity ensures you're not giving up modern technology. The iActive Sense safety suite with enhanced pedestrian detection provides priceless peace of mind. Those 17-inch black alloy wheels communicate adventure readiness, but 8.3 inches of ground clearance means you can handle terrain that scrapes ordinary crossovers. The refined 2.5-liter engine makes every drive enjoyable, while 28 miles per gallon combined means you're not paying a penalty for choosing premium. The Select proves you get premium quality affordably, but if you want luxury features, fuel efficiency, and great value, then the next one is right for you. Number 4. Hybrid Premium Luxury Efficiency. Most luxury hybrids either look boring or sacrifice efficiency for premium features. The Hybrid Premium at around $37,000 solves that dilemma. The panoramic power moonroof transforms daily commutes into something special, but the 12-speaker Bose system makes every drive a concert experience. The exclusive red leather interior immediately tells passengers you care about luxury and environmental responsibility. The 219-horsepower hybrid system delivers 0 to 60 in 7.6 seconds. Proving efficiency doesn't mean sluggish performance, but 38 miles per gallon combined means significantly less fuel spending than conventional luxury crossovers. This appeals to affluent, eco-conscious consumers who want vehicle choices reflecting success and values. That Hybrid Premium proves luxury and efficiency coexist beautifully, but if you want essential comfort without hybrid complexity, the Preferred offers simpler approaches. Number 3. 2.5S Preferred Smart Value Choice. Nothing is more annoying than saving dollars on base models only to spend years wishing for comfort features. The 2.5S Preferred brings no compromise. Heated front seats with heated mirrors transform miserable winter mornings, but power programmable rear liftgate means never struggling with groceries while lifting heavy tailgates. Wireless charging eliminates daily cable fumbling, while remote start warms or cools cabins before getting in. These additions represent over $1,000 in value for just $1,150 increase over base trim. Therefore, you're getting genuine value improving daily life without budget strain. Practical buyers are smart enough to recognize genuine value. The Preferred shows how smart money gets essential features, but if you're willing to pay for top-tier performance and technology, the Turbo Premium Plus represents ultimate expression. Number 2. Turbo Premium Plus Ultimate Performance. Luxury performance buyers often pay premium prices but still compromise on technology or convenience. The Turbo Premium Plus at $43,500 is so good that it can make any premium compact crossover run for its money. The 256 horsepower turbocharged engine makes every acceleration exciting, but the 360-degree camera system and parking sensors mean navigating tight spaces with confidence. Blind spot intervention actively steers away from obstacles, providing safety nets, preventing accidents, and expensive repairs. The premium head-up display keeps critical information in sight, but memory settings mean multiple drivers instantly configure preferences. So, if you are an affluent enthusiast who's worked hard enough to afford the best and refuse settling for less, this one is just perfect for you. That Premium Plus delivers everything you could want, but if you want luxury features with proven reliability, the Premium offers traditional premium ownership approaches. Number 1. 2.5S Premium Sunroof and Sound Upgrade. The 2.5S Premium at $34,000 offers, for many, perfect combo of genuine luxury and proven technology. The panoramic power moonroof transforms every drive into open-air experiences when weather permits, but integrated sliding sunshade means controlling exactly how much light enters. The 12-speaker Bose system with strategically positioned speakers delivers concert-quality sound, making every commute enjoyable. Genuine leatherette surfaces provide premium appearance without real leather maintenance concerns, but Sirius XM radio and traffic sign recognition add daily driving convenience. The proven 2.5-liter powertrain delivers reliable 187 horsepower with 28 miles per gallon combined efficiency. There you have it, an impressive lineup that clearly indicates that one size doesn't fit all buyers. But if you find this range of models too broad and complex, you must check out our review of the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5. You can now see on the screen single powertrain options and just a few trim levels. This one definitely keeps things simple.